Hello friends, welcome back to MotoGP 20 career. So we'll take a short overview. Okay. Alright, we are in the 7th round of the championship and let's go to Catalonia. Oh. The weather will be clear in free practice qualifying, but the race is on wet track. Alright, let's jump into free practice 1. Okay, so we are fastest in free practice. 156 is our fastest lap. Suzuki is on second. Okay.
His bike is ready and the rider is getting ready to sprint on the track. Let's see if he's looking to record a good time or whether he's just testing out a change of setup.
Okay, so let's see क्या टाइम सेट करते हैं हम क्वालिफाइंग में. We are strong in sector 2. One 55.9, 1.1 second faster. We don't need to give another try. So let's end this session.
That's the end of the second and last
qualifying session. We are on pole position, 1.1 second faster. It's a good qualifying.
Here we are live from the Moto3 class starting grid where riders and engineers are talking over the last few details before the race.
It's a red track. And we have only medium compounds. Okay. Full tank of fuel. This is our first race on the red track. So let's see. Okay, the same tire selection.
Just a few moments to go and the Catalan Grand Prix will officially begin. Riders are getting focused because they know that they will have to give 100% from the very beginning.
Okay, first race on red track. Let's go. KTM, again not a good start. Come on. Yeah, we are back into the lead. Oh, massive high side. Antonelli got down. Massive high side. Yeah, we have to be careful. Wide into turn 3. Marcia is through, but we are back in lead. Little bit wide, but okay, we maintain our first position. Go! Oh. We are really skidding a lot. Damage is down. To turn 8. या थोड़ा बहुत गैप बना लिया है हमने. This is the tricky corner. Eleven, 12. We are back on traction control 2 क्योंकि rear wheel बहुत slide कर रहा है. Carlos is down. Into the final corner. .209 from us. The gap is more than 1 second. ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल 2 पे भी रियर व्हील स्किड हो ही रहा है, सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल, अदरवाइज हाई साइड होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. और मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट जब हमें मिल सकता है तो हाई साइड होके गिर जाए. It's a mistake. इस सस्पेंशन सेटअप पे ड्राई ट्रैक में तो बाइक इतना ओवरस्टीयर नहीं हो रही थी. लेट्स सी ये सेटअप की वजह से हो रहा है या हमारे चलाने की वजह से. We got the penalty of 0.3 seconds. Careful. Migno is down. Into final corner. Again oversteer. 0.6 second of penalty. This is not good. Penalty fast lap 2.02. Our front wheel is not at the optimum temperature, it's still cold. Wide in turn 3. टर्न 4 में एग्जिट उतना अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा है, सो वी आर लूजिंग अ बिट टाइम देयर. ओह इजी. बाइक ओवरस्टीयर क्यों कर रही है? Again it oversteer. Come on. Yeah, I am struggling with oversteering. And Fanati is through. Yeah, but we can overtake him. Come on, KTM. Yes, job done. Easy, easy. What are you doing, man? Again wide in turn 3. And Fenati is through. Yeah, we are back in lead. Fenati took the lead again. It's a nice battle going between Fenati and me. Come on, can we overtake here? No. Yeah, but in turn 6 we can, and we did. Ooh, Fenati is down. Fenati is down. I'm sorry, mate. But I don't think it's my fault. But still, I apologize. Okay, so we got some breathing space. Yuki is down. Again understeering. I'm struggling with this understeering problem. ये सेटअप की वजह से हो रहा है या पता नहीं. सेटअप में तो हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते अभी. Again, and now the penalty is 0.8 seconds. हमें अभी सेकंड राइडर और हमें एटलीस्ट 0.9 सेकंड्स का गैप रखना पड़ेगा. एंड लुक, फॉगिया इज थ्रू. Aggressive move. But we got the better exit. Can we try inside? No. He's also sliding, and we got better exit than him. Ooh. We'll try the line, but we close the door. Good job. Yeah, we reduced the engine braking, and now the bike is working great. यही रहता है कि बाइक सेटअप में वो एक मैजिक क्लिक रहती है जिसकी वजह से बाइक एकदम से परफेक्ट फील करने लगती है. इनटू द फाइनल कॉर्नर. अब सिर्फ देखना ये है कि गैप कितना है. आई डोंट थिंक, नो, गैप बहुत कम था. Yeah, we are on third due to the penalty. It's frustrating. Yeah, we're still leading Riders' Championship by 19 points from Dennis. We are third in team championship. 79 points का difference है. Okay.
Making the podium is always a positive result, but it's also true that this rider could have gone further today. It's definitely a result, though, which bodes well for future races.
Yeah, we learned something new. Engine braking बाइक के टर्निंग पे बहुत अफेक्ट करता है. So next time से हम लोग इस बात का भी ध्यान रखेंगे. बट यार वो पेनल्टी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए थी. Catalonia was the exciting race, exciting. So now we are heading to Sachsenring. Okay. I hate this track.
Hello and welcome to the Sachsenring circuit for the start of the historic German Grand Prix. The atmosphere in pit lane is already really fired up. The first round of free practice is about to begin and mechanics are performing the final checks on the bikes before the riders get on track. The session will enjoy great weather and the sun is raising the temperature of the asphalt. This is good news for the riders. They won't need to spend much time heating up the tyres.
So here we are in free practice 2. We are 5th, 0.7 seconds slower than Masia. Our combined we are 7th. Let's see what we can do in qualifying. मुझे वैसे भी कुछ ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है इस ट्रैक से. (134.1). We are 0.6 seconds slower. हम एक और ट्राई देते हैं. Okay, we are good in sector 1. .5 seconds. Okay, let's end the session.
That's the end of the second and
So
last
where we are?
session, and we can finally see the grid positions that await us.
We are on 11th. That's great. Okay, at least we are in 4th row. So क्वालिफिकेशन गोल तो अचीव हो गया कम से कम. मुझे इस ट्रैक में इससे ज़्यादा उम्मीद तो थी नहीं.
Hello and welcome to the Sachsenring circuit. The waiting is finally over. The German Moto3 race will be starting in just a few minutes. We're moving now to the Moto3 class grid where engineers and technicians are ironing out the last few details before the race starts.
Okay, so tire selection, we'll go with soft front and medium or hard. Okay, medium we are. Full tank of fuel. Let's start the race. Okay, maximum riders are on medium.
Everything is ready to start here at Sachsenring. Concentration is at the max because it's extremely important not to lose positions early on this track.
ये रेस में हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी इज्जत बचाओ स्ट्रैटेजी होने वाली है. Let's go. Yeah, this will be the damage limitation race. Come on, it's a good start. Little bit wide on turn 1. We are already in 5th position. Good start. Come on. Antonelli is down. Ooh. It's a big mistake. बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई यार. We are in 26th position. Come on, KTM. Yeah, that mistake will cost us. एक तो यार पहले ये ट्रैक ऐसा, ऊपर से इतनी बड़ी गलती. It's not done. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's very difficult to find a way through this traffic. Straight on brakes. Into turn 30. Napa is down. Sorry, mate. But we are in 17th after lap 1. Alright. We are in 10th position, now 11th position after lap 2. और थोड़ा अच्छा कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Yeah, we are in 9th. Again wide in turn 1. Binder is down. We are in 10th position. Come on, come on. Yeah, we are back in 9th. Ooh. भाई तेरे को बचाने के चक्कर में मुझे वाइड जाना पड़ा. यामानाका. Ooh, Suzuki is down. Wow. Thank God हम गिरे नहीं. अगर हम टॉप 10 के अंदर आ जाते हैं ना तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, बिकॉज सेक्शन रिंग पे टॉप 10 के अंदर आना. यार ये ट्रैक मोटोजीपी कैलेंडर में है ही क्यों? इतने सारे तो रिंग है, किमी रिंग है, रेड बुल रिंग है, ये सेक्शन रिंग की क्या जरूरत है? ट्विन रिंग मोटेगी है, बस हो गए 2 रिंग्स बस हो जाते हैं. Inside line नहीं कर पाए. We are still in 11th position after lap 4. It's a boring race. We are back in 9th position. Come on. Top 10 के अंदर रहना ही है हमें. Come on. Yeah, we are 9th after lap 5. Into lap 6. Yeah, we can try for 7th place. But let's see. There is not enough grip in the right side of our rear wheel. Okay, in final corner. Yeah, we are in 9th position. It's final lap. So we will push. Come on, KTM. It's battle for 7th. इस रेस में मैक्सिमम जितने पॉइंट्स कमा सकते हैं उतने कमाने हैं. बट मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस को अगर देखेंगे तो वो ये 9th पोजीशन में आई एम हैप्पी विद द 9th पोजीशन.
The stars of this exciting race are finishing the final lap. Let's take advantage of these moments to take a look at the Moto3 final ranking.
I'm not expecting any better result than this. We are still leading the championship just by 1 point. That's not good. Foggia and Masia. We are dropped down in team championship. Okay, so that was a bad race. Bad race. We always struggle on Saxon Ring. So let's see the championships. Moto3 में तो हम आगे हैं 1 point से. Thomas Luthi leading the Moto2 World Championship by 14 points from Lorenzo Baldassari. Valentino Rossi is leading by 36 points from Danilo Petrucci. Where is Mark Marquez? Marquez is on 5th. This is a good season for Valentino Rossi. Hope अगर सच में ऐसा होता कि 2020 अगर ये कोरोना वगैरह सब नहीं होता, 2020 सीजन रूटीन चल रहा होता और ये रिजल्ट होता तो दिवाली होती भाई, दिवाली. इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट फॉर वैलेंटिनो रॉसी. अगर अभी सीजन में ऐसा रिजल्ट होता तो डेफिनेटली इस बार चांसेस थे कि वैलेंटिनो रॉसी विल बी द वर्ल्ड चैंपियन फॉर 10th टाइम. 10 बार वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनना, इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. Great rider. Okay, so what do we got in engine? Can we develop? Yes. Let's go for it. 3 weeks. What do we got in frame? Can we develop this? What is this? Better brain entry, frame vibration reduction. I don't think frame में हमें ज़रूरत है अभी किसी डेवलपमेंट की. रिडक्शन ऑफ रियर टायर कंजम्पशन, या विल गो फॉर दिस. हम स्टाफ को ऐड करते हैं. ओके, 8 weeks. Okay. So our engine will be ready in 4 weeks and the frame will be ready in 8 weeks. So what do we got? Chief engineer? No. All right, friends. Take care. Mask use करना, sanitizer use करना, social distancing maintain करना, and ride safe.